guys, it is Cody
and Taka.
We are just opening our new mystery package from IPSY. And it is pink, beautiful color that we just got in the mail today.
And it's my favorite color.
And now we will get it opened right now. There we go. Now it's open. And let's get this out. Alright. So we have got this adorable bag right here. And let's see what's inside of it. We have got some Oride Matty Waves texture lotion right here, and it is so beautiful. Got Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. And I am just going to open it to see what this is. It's kind of hard to get out because it's like in such a squishy container and it's like jabbed in there. Okay, we have got it out, guys. Now let's see what this is. It says Disc Bronzer. Yeah, check it out. So it is like kind of a bronze color that's kind of shimmery, shiny. Right there, guys. And it is so beautiful. Okay, and we have got our Confidence Level Selfie with No Filter, August 2018. IPSY right there. And let's get our other little stuff in. So it looks like it is Calido Cosmetics Skin Brush. Soft as skin brush. Now let's get it out. This one is way harder to get out because this one is a square and it's very tight. So I think that we might have to rip the package a bit. Okay, we have just got it out right here. And let's see what it is. Alright, I think we have to open it the other way. Alright, so it is pink blush right here, guys. Isn't that beautiful? And it is beautiful pink, and there's also got a little mirror in there. So cute. Now let's check, I think, our last object. Now, it's False Lashes Extreme Black. Let's see it. It looks like mascara. Ooh, here we go, guys. Mascara, and look at that beautiful blush. And it has also got out like this. I can't believe that there's actually a little mascara like that. I thought that it was only big ones like this. Holy. Wow, I can't believe it. Okay, and it is from MAC right there. And there we go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.